Welcome to My Business Success. Today, we're diving into one of the most accessible ways to start earning money online, affiliate marketing. Whether you're just getting started or looking to explore new income streams, affiliate marketing offers a way to earn commissions by promoting products or services you believe in. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a business model where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for marketing another company's product. You don't need to create your own product, manage inventory, or deal with customer service. Your job is to connect potential customers with the products they're looking for. In this video, I'll break down how affiliate marketing works, and by the end, you'll understand the basics well enough to get started. We'll cover everything from choosing the right products to promote, finding affiliate programs, and the best ways to promote those products to maximize your earnings. So if you're ready to learn how to start making money online through affiliate marketing, let's get started. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's dive into how to get started. The first step is choosing the right niche. A niche is simply a specific area or topic that you'll focus on. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to pick a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. For example, popular niches include health and wellness, technology, personal finance, and fashion. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is finding affiliate programs. These are the platforms where you'll sign up to become an affiliate and get access to the products or services you'll promote. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide range of products in various niches, making it easier for you to find something that aligns with your interests. After joining an affiliate program, you'll receive unique affiliate links for the products you choose to promote. These links track the traffic and sales that come from your efforts, ensuring you get credit for any purchases made through your links. But how do you choose the right products to promote? Well, start by considering your audience. Think about what they need, what problems they're trying to solve, and what products could help them. It's important to promote products you genuinely believe in because your reputation is on the line. If you recommend low quality products, it can damage your credibility and trust with your audience. In the next section, we'll explore the best ways to promote these products to maximize your earnings. But for now, focus on choosing a niche and finding affiliate programs that align with your goals. With your niche selected and great affiliate products identified, the next step is to implement strategies that will effectively market these products and maximize your earnings. The first strategy to consider is content marketing. By creating valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can naturally incorporate affiliate links. For instance, writing blog posts that solve specific problems your audience faces and including affiliate links to products that help address those issues can be very effective. The key here is to provide genuine value so that your recommendations come across as natural and trustworthy. Social media marketing offers another powerful approach. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter provide excellent opportunities to share content, engage with your audience, and promote affiliate products. Creating visually appealing posts or stories that showcase the benefits of a product or even doing a live demo can be very impactful. Make sure to include your affiliate links in captions, bios, or swipe up links in stories to drive traffic. Email marketing is also a highly effective strategy. Building an email list allows you to nurture relationships with your audience over time. Sending out newsletters with useful tips, updates, and exclusive offers while incorporating your affiliate links where relevant can lead to strong results. The key to successful email marketing is personalization. Tailor your messages to the specific needs and interests of your subscribers. Don't overlook the power of video marketing. Platforms like YouTube are ideal for creating product reviews, tutorials, or unboxings that highlight the features and benefits of the affiliate products you're promoting. Video content is highly engaging and can help build trust with your audience. Be sure to include affiliate links in the video description and mention them during the video to encourage viewers to click through. Finally, search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in driving organic traffic to your content. By optimizing your blog posts, videos, and website for relevant keywords, you increase the likelihood of your content being found by people searching for related topics. This can lead to more clicks on your affiliate links and ultimately more sales. In the next section, we'll cover how to monitor and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. But for now, start considering which of these strategies you can begin implementing to effectively promote your affiliate products. Once you've implemented your strategies for promoting affiliate products, the next critical step is to monitor and optimize your efforts. This is where you can really start to see what's working and where there's room for improvement. The first thing you'll want to do is track your performance. Most affiliate programs provide analytics tools that let you monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Make sure to regularly check these metrics to understand which products and strategies are driving the most success. This will help you identify your top performing content and focus your efforts on what's working best. Next, consider using additional tracking tools like Google Analytics. These tools give you deeper insights into your audience's behavior, showing you how visitors are finding your content, which pages they're spending the most time on, and where they're dropping off. By understanding this data, you can optimize your content and promotional strategies to better meet your audience's needs and increase conversions. Another important aspect of optimization is testing. This can include A/B testing different elements of your campaigns, such as headlines, call to action buttons, or even the placement of your affiliate links. Small changes can sometimes make a big difference in your conversion rates, so it's worth experimenting to see what works best. It's also crucial to keep your content fresh and updated. Regularly review your affiliate links to ensure they are still active and relevant. If a product you're promoting is no longer available or has been updated, make sure to update your content accordingly. This not only helps maintain your credibility, but also ensures that your audience is getting the most up-to-date recommendations. Lastly, don't forget to engage with your audience. Ask for feedback, read comments, and see what questions or concerns your viewers have. This direct interaction can provide valuable insights into what your audience is looking for, allowing you to refine your strategies and offer more targeted and effective content. By continuously monitoring and optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts, you'll be able to maximize your earnings and build a more successful and sustainable business. Now that you've learned how to monitor and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, it's important to be aware of some common pitfalls that can hinder your success. Avoiding these mistakes can save you time, effort, and help you build a more successful and sustainable affiliate business. One of the most common mistakes is promoting too many products at once. While it might be tempting to sign up for multiple affiliate programs and promote a wide variety of products, this can dilute your focus and confuse your audience. It's better to start with a few high-quality products that you genuinely believe in and can effectively promote. This approach allows you to build trust with your audience and position yourself as an expert in your chosen niche. Another pitfall is neglecting to disclose your affiliate relationships. Transparency is key in affiliate marketing. Always make it clear to your audience that you may earn a commission if they purchase through your links. Not only is this a legal requirement in many countries, but it also helps build trust with your audience. When people know you're being honest and upfront, they're more likely to value your recommendations and follow your advice. Failing to test the products you're promoting is another common mistake. If you're recommending products that you haven't personally used or thoroughly researched, you risk damaging your credibility. Your audience relies on you for honest and reliable recommendations. Promoting products that don't live up to your claims can lead to negative feedback and lost trust. Another pitfall to avoid is neglecting your audience's needs. Successful affiliate marketing is all about serving your audience. If you focus solely on the commissions you can earn without considering whether the products are truly beneficial to your audience, you're likely to see poor results. Always prioritize your audience's needs and provide solutions to their problems. This will help you build a loyal following and increase your long-term success. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of patience. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to build a successful affiliate business, especially when you're starting from scratch. Be patient, stay consistent with your efforts, and continue learning and adapting as you go. Over time, your hard work will pay off. By being aware of these common pitfalls and actively working to avoid them, you'll be on your way to building a successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. As we reach the final chapter of this video, it's time to focus on building long-term success in affiliate marketing. While short-term wins are great, the real goal is to create a sustainable business that continues to generate income over time. One of the key factors in achieving long-term success is consistency. In affiliate marketing, consistency is crucial. This means regularly creating content, engaging with your audience, and continuously promoting your affiliate products. The more consistent you are, the more you establish yourself as a reliable source of information and build trust with your audience. Another important aspect is diversification. While it's important to focus on a specific niche, it's also beneficial to diversify your income streams within that niche. This could mean promoting a range of products from different affiliate programs, offering related services, or even creating your own digital products that complement the affiliate products you promote. Diversification helps protect your business from fluctuations in the market and provides multiple sources of revenue. Building relationships is another cornerstone of long-term success. This includes relationships with your audience, as well as with the companies whose products you're promoting. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, and providing valuable content that meets their needs. At the same time, maintain good relationships with your affiliate partners. This can lead to exclusive deals, better commission rates, and opportunities to promote new products. It's also essential to stay updated with industry trends. The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the latest trends, tools, and techniques will give you an edge over the competition. Subscribe to industry blogs, join affiliate marketing forums, and participate in webinars or online courses to keep your skills sharp and your strategies effective. Finally, patience and perseverance are critical. Building a successful affiliate marketing business doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Stay committed to your goals, keep refining your strategies, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Over time, your persistence will pay off, and you'll have a thriving, profitable business. By focusing on these key principles, consistency, diversification, relationship building, and staying updated, and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term success in affiliate marketing. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to reflect on everything we've covered. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn income online, and with the right approach, it can become a sustainable and profitable business. We started by understanding what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Then we explored how to choose a niche and find the right products to promote. We discussed effective strategies for promoting those products, from content marketing to social media, email marketing, and SEO. We also talked about the importance of monitoring and optimizing your efforts, avoiding common pitfalls, and finally, building long-term success through consistency, diversification, and relationship building. But remember, the most important step is taking action. Knowledge is only powerful when you apply it. So start by picking your niche, joining an affiliate program, and putting your first strategy into practice. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, learn as you go, and keep refining your approach. Affiliate marketing is a journey, and like any journey, it's important to stay committed, be patient, and adapt to new challenges along the way. There will be ups and downs, but with perseverance, you can achieve your goals and build a business that not only generates income, but also provides value to your audience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to help you succeed in your affiliate marketing journey. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. And don't forget to share this video with others who might find it useful. Now, it's time to take the next step and start building your affiliate marketing business. You've got this.